मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। हम लेसन 17 कर रहे थे सोलर सिस्टम का। उसका नेक्स्ट पार्ट हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, जिसमें हमारा फर्स्ट टॉपिक है टू लोकेट द पोल स्टार विद द हेल्प ऑफ उर्सा मेजर। एज यू सीन इन द एक्टिविटी, देर इज उर्सा मेजर एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ उर्सा मेजर वी कैन लोकेट द पोल स्टार। हाँ, फॉर दिस वी शुड recognize first the Ursa measure in the sky. We can do this activity in the summers at about 9 p.m. Okay, let us start. First of all, we locate the Ursa measure with the help of our elder. We can see easily in the summer night at about 9 p.m. Uh, then we look out the four uh, brightest stars of the Ursa Major. Last two stars we locate and we imagine a straight line passing through it and extend towards the south. When this line is extend towards the south, this line is end at a star which is not very bright, and it is faint star, and this is pole star. We know that pole star do not move from its position, so you can locate this pole star and Ursa Major every 2-3 hours, and you can see uh, this pattern in next activity 17.8. If you see the Ursa Major and locate the pole star every time after 2 to 3 hours, 3 to 4 times, you can see this pattern, and you uh, see that the Ursa Major will rotate around the pole star from east to west. Then we see the next constellation, uh, Orion or Hunter. जैसे कि हमने तुम्हें बताया था कि जो हमारे जो कंस्टलेशंस हैं वो अकेले ब्राइटेस्ट स्टार के नहीं बने होते, उनके चारों तरफ दूसरे फेंट स्टार भी होते हैं। जैसे कि आप इस डायग्राम में देख पा रहे हैं, यहाँ पर एक हंटर की शेप बनी हुई है और ओरियन के साथ। तो ओरियन को हम हंटर भी कहते हैं, इसीलिए कहते हैं कि आप इस डायग्राम में जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर ये जो है ये हमारा कॉन्स्टलेशन है हंटर, और ये जो हम आप ये फिगर देख पा रहे हैं ये हमने इमेजिन किया है, ये सब हमने इमेजिन किया है लाइक अ हंटर। एंड यू कैन आल्सो इमेजिन दिस टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर्स इन द स्काई, एंड we explain the hunter or Orion. There are prominent three stars in the belt which form the belt of hunter, and remaining star form the shape of the quadrilateral. Okay, move to the next topic. We can also locate a brighter star Sirius with the help of the Orion, as we see the pole star with the help of the Ursa Major. You can also locate the brightest star of the sky Sirius with the help of Orion. How? We imagine, first of all we locate the Orion in the sky, then we see the brightest star of the belt of the Orion. Then we imagine a straight line passing through these three star of the belt, and line is extend towards the east. Then we see a brightest star Sirius. It is a very bright star. You can locate it easily. Then our next constellation is Cassiopeia. Cassiopeia is the distorted word like W or M in the sky. You can see the Cassiopeia in this figure also. This this shape like W, and from this side we can see the W, and from this side we can read it as M. It is also a brighter star and can see easily. Then next constellation is Leo Major. It is also famous constellation in the sky, formed by the brightest star. Then our next topic is solar system. In solar system, we see the sun, our planets, and some other solar member of solar system like asteroids, comets. But in this figure, we can see only planet, sun, and belt of asteroid. This is the belt of asteroid between the Mars and Jupiter. As in the series increasing order of the planet, we see nearest to the sun is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Before 2006, there are uh, s- nine planet in our solar system, but IAU defined the planet, then our last planet Pluto do not exist in this definition. So from them, there are eight planet in the solar system. In this activity, as you can see, uh, there is a representation of the solar system. We can do this activity with the help of our friends in the ground. In middle you can stand one friend and represent the sun, and we draw the four circles of different diameter. It may be 1.8, 2.6, and 3.5, and 4.5, or they may be 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, and 4 meter. Then four students or friends can represent the other planet. First four planet, Mercury, um, then Mars, sorry, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Then they rotate around the one friend which stand in middle of the circles. uh, you can see that all the students or friends can rotate, sorry, can revolve easily, and they do not collide each other. So all the planets rotate around, revolve around the sun in this manner with the help of the gravitational force, and they do not collide each other. Then in next figure we can see a top which rotate on a point, and all the planet rotate on its axis like this figure. In this text we can also we again explain that there are nine planets in our solar system before 2006, but a definition is created by IAU. After that, uh, our last our last planet Pluto do not exist in this solar system. So, from after 2006, there are eight planets in the solar system. After this, there is a next member of the solar system, or we can say the main member of the solar system is the sun. Sun is made up of gases which produce heat and light continuously, and it is largest member of the solar system and produce heat and light continuously, and also it is the ultimate source of all the planets of the solar system. We can see another figure in the of the sun. In this we can see the nearest layer of the sun, which glow very brightly and produce heat and light. Then there is some knowledge about astronomy and given by great astronomer of Aryabhat of our India. First of all, the about the astronomy, there is a great knowledge in the Rig Veda, which is composed about 4,000 years ago. In this text, we study about the astronomy. First of all, in Rig Veda, about before 4,000 years ago, there is great knowledge about astronomy, but after that, our great astronomer Aryabhat gives some points we discuss here. Aryabhat writing his book Aryabhatya about 499 CE in the age of 23 years. He gives some points which are very close knowledge to present time. First of all, he state that Earth is a movable celestial object. Before it is mentioned that it is Achla. Earth is Achla means it is immovable. But Aryabhat state that Earth rotate on its own axis. First time very first he state that Earth is rotate around its axis and it is true. After that, he gives the times of its rotation, which is very close to the present value. He state that the Earth was complete her his sorry Earth complete its rotation about 23 years, about 23 hours 56 minutes and 4.1 second, which is very close present value. And then he also explained about the eclipse of lunar eclipse and solar eclipse also. Then last he state that the distance between the earth and moon, which is very close to the present value. So you can understand that the how great astronomer was the Aryabhat. Then our next topic is Mercury. Now, Mercury is the first planet of our solar system and it is nearest about the sun, and it is very difficult to observe it because it is hidden in the glare of the sun. You can see in that this text it is hidden in the glare of the sun. Glare means the brightness of the sun, and we can see it very very rare before the sunshine and after the sunset in the horizon. Horizon is the place where the sky and earth is meet, but it is only possible on the when there is no obstacle of buildings entry in the view of the horizon. Then our next topic is there is no satellite of the Mercury, natural satellite. Then our next topic is Venus, Shukra. Uh, Venus is the our nearest neighbor, or we can say it is the nearest to our Earth. It is brightest planet in the night sky. We can see the Venus in the morning star or evening star in the uh, east or west direction before before sunrise and after sunset, near about 1 to 3 hours, and there is no natural planet of the uh, Venus. there is an interesting thing about the Venus, that uh, all other planet, one planet, that is Uranus, is also rotate from east to west, and Venus is also rotate from east to west, and all other planet rotate from west to east. We can see the uh, phases of the Venus like the moon. You can see in this figure there is phases of moon, phases of Venus like the moon. We can see the different shape of the phases with the help of the telescope. We can't see this with the with naked eyes. We can see only with the help of the telescope. So here we stop our discussing about the lesson. We discuss next video of this chapter. So goodbye. Have a nice day.